Hi everyone, my name is Ben Kane, and currently I work with young adults who have autism and other learning differences. So a big thing that we deal with is mental health conditions. Several of the individuals I work with have mental health diagnoses, um, and it's really about kind of showing them how to manage the challenges that come with their diagnoses so that they can live the most productive and successful life according to what their goals are. That's the big thing, is trying to help them achieve their own personal goals, whether they be academic or professional. So getting like a job, starting a career, stuff like that, as well as living independently. That said, I believe that mental health diagnosis is just like any other diagnosis or something to be taken very seriously. There are challenges that are presented to people, and through learning more about diagnoses, we're able to come up with solutions, potential interventions, different types of plans to help individuals cope and manage the diagnoses that they have. That way they can live, like I said, the most successful version of their life. Um, I don't have much experience currently with DSM-5. I really only know basically the main criterion for it, but I haven't really had any experience with making those types of diagnoses. To this point, I'm looking forward to learning more about that as my career advances, as well as my schooling. And that's about all I have for you guys. Thank you for joining me.